I'm the digital avatar of Tanner Hukazeli. While Tanner is busy working to get inventors and brand owners the protection they need, he has asked me to give you some information that might help you on your intellectual property journey. As always, the content in this video is provided for information purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. If you do want advice that is specific to your circumstances, please reach out to our firm or another patent agent or trademark agent for qualified assistance. Today, we're going to talk about trademark searching, and more specifically, the scope of a proper trademark search. When you're considering a new brand name or logo, it can be tempting to jump straight into design and marketing. But before you do, it's important to conduct a comprehensive trademark search that clears all components of your trademark. A proper trademark clearance search should cover the words in your mark and any pictorial or design elements it has, like logos or symbols. Let's start with word marks. If your trademark includes a name, phrase, or any kind of text, you need to search for existing word marks that are identical or similar to it. This means looking for exact matches, phonetic similarities, alternate spellings, translations, and even synonyms. Trademark examiners and courts might consider two names to be confusingly similar if they sound alike, look alike, or convey a similar idea and are used on related products or services. It's also important to consider the industry context. A similar name in two different sectors might be fine. For example, the word Delta is used as a trademark by both an airline and a faucet company. However, similar names in similar industries could result in a conflict. Because words are textual, searching them is relatively straightforward. Trademark databases and professional search tools can automatically find close matches, including variations in spelling and sound. It's common to include multiple spelling variations when searching a name. Design marks typically include logos, icons, and other stylized elements. If your proposed trademark includes any visual component, you need to search for existing marks having a similar appearance. This is just as important as the word search. A conflict can arise from a logo, even if the names are different. For example, consumers could be confused if two companies have very similar looking logos for similar or related products or services. Many trademarks include both name and logo components. Conflicts could come from either of those two elements. If you only search the word portion but not the logo portion, you might clear the name ABC, but overlook that your intended logo looks a lot like somebody else's logo. On the other hand, if you only check logos and not the name, you might miss that the name ABC itself is already trademarked by someone else. To be safe, you should search both text and image components of your candidate trademark. Trademark applications themselves can be made for word marks, design marks, or a combination of both. So you need to ensure no prior word mark blocks your text and no prior design mark blocks your logo. Another important element of your trademark search is geographic scope. Trademarks are territorial rights, which means your rights only exist in the country where your mark is registered or used. If you will only be operating or selling product locally, then it may not be necessary to search outside of your home country. However, you should consider extending your search outside of your home country if you plan to expand your sales or operations in the near future. Businesses often grow into new markets. A name that's free in your country might be unavailable or infringing in another key market. It's far better to discover that early. If you're just starting out, it's difficult to predict where your business will be in 5 to 10 years, but if you are planning to expand to another country in the next 1 or 2 years, then searching in the other countries might be worthwhile. To summarize, a comprehensive search should cover any word or design components in your trademark and should start with the primary country in which you plan to do business. This is likely your home country. Then consider expanding the search to other countries where you might operate, manufacture, or sell. Each country has its own trademark laws and standards. A mark that's acceptable in one place might conflict in another, so you'll want to ensure it's clear in all jurisdictions where you plan to use it. Thanks for staying to the end of this video. If you are ready to take the next step, please visit us at wilsonpatents.com or reach out to Tanner or one of the other agents at CWC Intellectual Property. We're ready to help, and if this video has been helpful to you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.